Are you struggling with unexplained plant deficiencies? Have you given your plants everything, but they still look unhealthy? It's time to consider nutrient interactions using Mulder's chart. There are two types of interactions: synergistic, which help nutrient uptake, and antagonistic, which can hinder it. Keeping soil pH between 6 and 7 is crucial for optimal nutrient absorption. If the pH is off, your plants may show deficiencies or suffer from nutrient lockout. For example, high levels of manganese require additional potassium. Adjusting your macro and microelements can help correct these deficiencies. Use a premium soil substrate like BioVis All-Mix to maintain stable pH levels throughout your growth cycle. Understanding your nutrient interactions help you manage your plant deficiencies better. Stay tuned for more tips on nutrient ratios and plant health.